In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on how to see who viewed your TikTok videos. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So at the bottom of the screen, this is actually my homepage on my TikTok app. At the bottom of the screen, you can see your profile icon. So you can go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. When you do that, looking here is actually your profile on TikTok. So you can go to the video you want to actually see who viewed them. Click on the video like this and click on views. You can see that at the bottom of the screen. When you click on that, you'll be able to see the numbers of people and the username of the people that actually viewed your TikTok video. You can click on likes and you'll be able to see those who liked your video as well. But this can actually work for only videos you actually upload recently. Now let's say for instance you upload the video, and from the date of which you uploaded that video to the date which you want to actually check who viewed them is not actually more than 7 days. Now you can actually see those who viewed your TikTok video within 7 days. If it is more than 7 days from the date of publishing that video on TikTok, you won't be able to see those who viewed your TikTok video. So let's say for instance you go to your past videos, the videos you've uploaded for months ago. If you click on views, at the top corner it says views post view history will not be available for 7 days from the post date. So it actually means that you won't be able to see those who viewed your TikTok video if the video has been published more than 7 days ago. So this is how simple it is to see who viewed your TikTok video. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell as well to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. This is Tutor4 channel. See you in the next one.